If you're sorting on a numerical column, it will sort for you ascending, and if you're sorting on a date column, it will sort oldest to newest. You can also sort Z to A by opening the filter using the Alt-Down shortcut and then hitting the letter O. If you're sorting on a numerical column, it will sort descending, and if you're sorting on a date, it will sort newest to oldest. The last shortcut I want to show to you is the shortcut to open the specialized filters found here. For categorical variables, it's text filters. For date filters, it's date filters. And for numerical values, it's number filters. To open these, hit the Alt-Down shortcut and then use the shortcut F, which automatically opens the filters here. Now, you can just hit Enter or Space when you find the one that you want to use.